we don't want and we don't need to keep almost 2 million residents from Gaza to be closed because of the security problems.
Today, Israel continues to be perceived as being responsible for the Gaza Strip and is, to a large extent, the only lifeline to it, even though it withdrew from the Strip over a decade ago. Construction of an artificial island with a port and civilian infrastructure installations off the coast of Gaza will provide the Palestinians a humanitarian, economic, and transportation gateway to the world, without endangering Israel's security.
I don't have any illusion about the Hamas, but I'm trying to separate between the civilian problems and military problems. It's difficult, but I think that we can do it.
The artificial island, which will be internationally financed, built and owned, will be constructed about 3 miles off the coast of Gaza. Cargo and passenger ports, port operation and management facilities, water desalination, electricity and gas installations, as well as logistics centers will be built on the island. In order to ensure that security threats are addressed, Israel will remain in control of security in the sea around the island and of security inspection in the port. The ability to secure the island will be significantly greater than if a port were to be built on the Gaza coast itself, and should the need arise, the island could be disconnected from the Strip. In addition to its humanitarian and economic importance and distinct security advantages, the Artificial Island Initiative will strengthen the cooperation and relations between Israel and the countries in the region and in the international arena.